welcome back to another video. Today we'll be going on the road a bit. I have some driving lessons. It's been a while since I've been to class, so I'm not sure what my instructor is gonna teach me today. I know I did a bit of reversing and steering training to help me to get to become great at turning the corners. I also did 360 turn. I'm not sure what he's gonna do today, if he's gonna put on some cones, but we're going on the road, guys. So come with me. Let's see. Alright, my pickup spot for class is LOJ. I am waiting on my trainer, although I think he's here already. He's normally early. From Sonicon, I'm see car, but I'm not going to get because my class is 2:30, so maybe he's resting or something. So I am waiting in Harbor City, which is always busy. As you can see, I'm so scared of this road because if you know where I look here, I get down over here. So I'm standing beside Sheen until it's time to go. And right now, I'm always a little bit nervous at first, but I'm not sure what we'll be doing today, but I'm pretty sure I can handle it.
Lift the car.
What are we? Eh? I saw you live brother. You know, no question, a while ago. This is a car. Where is your charger?
Leave it at home.
So when you come to work, you carry everything?
Let me charge the princess.
I'm not charger. I want to charger.
Use
And this short duration, no, I don't know nothing for me. Just charge my phone from my yard.
the car and pick it up.
Wait, people think more like a car to me. No.
Duke. Nissan Duke.
You know what?
I
No
had
little
you.
car. I think know the branding.
Nissan.
See it? Now you know cute neither. Look at back look.
I get a car manage to if you want shit bug, you know.
I didn't get it.
Probably don't want shit bug at me.
Oh boy. Let's see my clothes you know.
Nice to shit bug at them. All into the driving.
What teach me today?
Teach you some reversing and some driving.
I hate reversing. You know that though?
Sometimes the time I'm going on with also do God.
You too. Right, them talk man. We don't know how much it.
Parallel.
I want you have already know, say, make sure some class don't know certain things we don't do.
That's why you have to advance. Wow.
I'm what I think I'm in a bag.
You know, if I want a student, say when our friend keep fish fry, and she want to support her, so she go cut her hour short and drop her up there. She drive up there. What's the feeling?
What's feeling time now?
Enough.
So how you remember who is who?
Today, the paper there. Training paper on the paper.
No sir. You keep up.
She look like some nurse. Look like they gone for the truck stand.
Touch. Them see her jump out the bush. Me know.
You don't touch.
I know I fish up over there. Jesus.
That does sound good for the fish up now.
Depends man which fish you're talking about.
That again. Just get so on time, like you turn up over a kid or turn up over a car market and wait for 1:30, not sure?
I know, but we reach early.
Like
But I know say if you're gonna say most they sleep or sitting.
Yeah. Yeah, more than one meaning.
So what I mean, much meaning you have and tell me why two meaning.
Like I know, alright, I say all I'm pitting, you say. Me slap, come and slap in the head. I'm pitting all 20 a piece of run grass.
What mean this?
You ever get no pitney? And a pitney big like me. that they want to mean, you know?
Why? I two-sided of one.
You're not observant.
I know two-sided stab.
You're not observant.
You know, and a two-sided stab.
You are not vigilant.
What vigilant mean?
Vigilant mean step on your guard. Yeah, look, in I watch tower.
You watch too much show, that's your problem.
Yeah. See L,
When I
that's why I'm
watch
saying
tower.
never vigilant. There's a L on the front and there's one on the back.
I was talking about the side, sir. I said two sides, no stop, you jump, take me on, eh?
So no L on the back of them side.
Right, that's one side, the front and the back if you dip on.
The front and the back. only L for the on the side are you, the learner.
And why you hate this, you know?
Put up on the side of the see nice on the side. Watch a man if to buy island through me a chop beer crap.
See it? So where you buy?
The car one need oil in the engine.
Where are you going to buy it?
Right on that's how.
So for time you take up, you give back my time?
That's why I'm
Do it and do it fast if you do it.
You want oil for chew? You don't know how much money
Right
you
time
get.
I went take the long day sleep whether you go do it.
All that about.
See?
I can sleep because tomorrow night supervisor they walk before they look upon you. And catch you asleep and picture.
Which part that? Alright, so because my driving instructor all the chat 40 because if you buy elf the vehicle people, I'm here waiting. I don't know what you want me to do today, but let's see.
Down in the car. Because I remember new people them I know, I get all house and I chat out all the full hour and half, you know. Nah, yeah, car. I'll teach about the red button and then something.
That you remember that you remember on day one.
But just 15 minutes.
So I made the next class.
This Jane deal with that.
So I made the next class, let me see.
It's a reversing. What them on a park up as a phone? You know them have it.
What? It's so on top of me now.
You know them. Great eye, come over, I see. Go on the road now, my friend. Yeah, me I got my friend. Right, that's how you drive. Come and tap down this up. You have to filter you, automatically filter you in the road. You get what I mean? I know no joke. You see how it filter you. When you tap down the side, they block the road. So they send you directly in the lane. When you stop way down there, so, they block up a car behind you. And it's much more difficult to join the line with the merge. Or you not even know the road them properly. You know? Merge, you have merge and submerge.
What is submerge?
Submerge, that means you're gone underneath the water.
Oh.
And emerge, and they're above the water. Merge now, you tell me about that.
I know.
I can proceed somewhere, not you?
Yeah, I can fit in a submerge, yes.
Yeah. Okay. I'm so fool. When me figure school, I skull it. Gonna see, go catch mullet.
Hello, fish fry young. I see.
Swimmers. Swimmers. Now I got sunfest.
No like about this stuff. It interests me. I can stand up all night.
3 o'clock. Eat out.
So you know we need to buy. Oh God.
Yeah. And my mother make me wash my shirt them. When me wash them, I just use Fab or whatever and rinse them.
Yeah, your mother used to.
My mother don't wash them, come like me have to use no cologne. Fabulous, man. Yeah.
Alright guys, so today I didn't do much. There was an issue with the car. Yes, I had to stop and buy. Is it coolant? We had to stop to buy an oil for it. I basically just drove around in the parking lot. I'm still working on my steering. As soon as it starts to let me do something else, I'll try to get some footage. It was a bit difficult today because in the parking lot there was also another somebody learning to drive as well. There was someone else learning to drive in the parking lot. So I went on the road and I drove. Didn't get much footage, but another day. Another day, guys. But today was not really an exciting day for me because I didn't get to stay in the car alone. He was there with me because when you're just starting out, they don't really want to leave it by yourself. But hopefully soon he will leave by myself again. I'm just going to insert some footage of some of my previous classes so that you see what's happening. And it's just an exciting journey. So if you haven't started driving school yet, you should. It's really a wonderful experience. And if you have a nice trainer, someone like my trainer, which is very down to earth and patient and all of that, it's gonna be an amazing journey, guys. I have a few classes left. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do next. And it's a bit of reversing today. I really don't like reversing. And when he's allowing me to reverse, he has me doing a long stretch. So and there are certain things that I don't like. But I love to do the 360 turn. I'm working on my steering. I'm not that bad. I went on the main road today and in the parking lot, but it wasn't exciting for me because I feel like the things that I did, I already know that I want to learn something different. So I can't wait for him to start laying down cones and all of that. But another day, I'll show you what's popping. So like I said, I'm going to insert some of my other footage here for you to see. Alright, so what are you teaching me today?
You alone teach yourself. Mr. Appleton.
What are you teaching me today? And you know, give me no footage people from me. I learn to drive nothing to look back and say.
No, you're
May I improve? See him there.
I'm teaching left turn, right turn, reversing, and Colonel never give you secret. Colonel
We can't manage.
Make a roll. No, not till we reach it. We have a long bus can pass in front of it. For true. See the big old space. Now can lay down long way. Come down some more. Yeah. No. Eh?
Alright. Do not tell me what to do. Not tell me. I want to try get it by myself. Alright. So you put this like this to the right first. We going forward.
Now this 3-point turn thing, I mean, I have to pull close to this side.
That's just it. Hey, bye.